that's the storm, man. So damn, man, so strong now. It's not even hitting us yet, but it's already strong. Jeez. Might hit here in Central Florida like around in 2 hours. But man, it's already strong. Look at the wind and the water. Feel that? Feel that? It's blowing. You can feel it in the window. Yeah. That's what it is. Look at the wind road, man. That's blowing, man. I hope it's not gonna cause flood or whatnot. Just spraying. Yeah, shit. Mother Nature is really really something else. You can't mess with it. You can't mess with it with Mother Nature. Jeez. Yep. All the cars parking there. Yeah, strong winds, man. We're not even hit yet. This is just a tail. Golly.